Barbie Fortesa update. Yan na si Barbie sa GMA Gala 2024. Grabe yung outfit ni Barbie. Mabigat yan, no? Pero Karen Kelly lang yan ni Barbie. Meron mga pangasi dyan, no? Ito, saka interview kay Barbie. Saka yung pagdating niya. Sa Marriott Hotel.
Challenging part is, I think, putting it all together. Because,
Barbie ganyan lang.
every piece is really well thought of and lahat talagang pinag-isipang mabuti, hindi pwede na. And we were very inspired to create a very elegant and pristine look this year because we have received a good reception last year. We have received good feedback from the gala last year. So, me and my...
pressure ba yun?
No naman. It was a good motivation for us na pag-consistent pa ang looks every year sa gala.
Yeah, consistency
Right,
and
Conra? My image
Ay, ito pala yun.
This is all his idea with my collaboration as well.
Ang ganda.
Sa team effort.
Mabigat.
So, if I'm not mistaken, 6 kilos yata.
Sa ni
Kung hindi ako
Barbie.
nagkakasal.
Win-workout mo ba yan? Nag-workout ka ba to be ready for that?
Sabi ko nga, magpahulog kaya ako para makapag-training ako kasi mabigat siya talaga. So gusto ko nang maupo, sa totoo lang.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para update. Ito po ang Chore Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.